Hi, Countess. I feel like saying boo Countess, but no, I'm not gonna say that. Your clocks are ready. This is your real video of your 3 clocks. Today has been one of those days. It's Saturday, and I came from the market, and I saw the beautiful creations on this. Now, they came out gorgeous. The design came out gorgeous. Epoxy resin is a tricky thing to come out with. So, I'm here to admit some mistakes, some errors. And so that's when I start cutting prices, okay? But I'm one of those that if your clock doesn't come out to my specification and everything, I tend not to like it. But I did do what you said. I put my signature in the bottom. Ooh, I was about to show you. You almost got me, but no, I'm not gonna show you right now. So I'm gonna introduce you to your 3 clocks. Okay. So we have Zelda. Your first clock is Zelda, which has Link in it, which is very interesting. And I never knew who Link was. So every time somebody orders a clock and I don't know what it is, it tends how much it grows my knowledge. So here is Link. Okay, finally done. This is Link. And as you can see, I put swords on top because he has a sword. Then I have arrows because he tends to fight with arrows. And this is the back of it. This is my favorite clocks of the ones that you ordered. I think this one is one of my base and my favorites. Okay, you see the reflection there of the foam being recorded. I gave it a gold face because with this lime green, the gold face fits better. So, and I put the Adventures of Link, which is cool because it is his character. And there it is. And this is the back of it. Let me see if I can show you. Yeah, there's the back of it. See how pretty? So this is Link. Next. All right. Here is the Harry Potter owl. Here it is. And I put glitter in it so they can see that it's mystical with rocks in the bottom. They're in trees. There's the trees. Okay. This is the back. So I put the Harry Potter. Here's Hufflepuff. And there is the owl. Okay. Absolutely gorgeous. This one came out gorgeous also. I put a gold face on it as well. Your last one is the one that really gave me a challenge because it's someone's art and it was, I'm going to describe it for the audience. Basically, it's a drawing of a personal painting or a drawing that they made by pencil. And I really tried to keep everything in its place. So I'm going to show you it and then I'm going to show you my faults because I feel that it didn't come out perfect because this one did give me a struggle, but I love the back of it. So here's the picture, okay? This is the drawing clock that you gave me. And what I love is that God said, you can roll it in there. So I put it on the top. The ones that would fold, I end up putting it on top. This is the side of it. Look how gorgeous it is. This is the back. This is really, it just came out marvelous. Something told me put stones because her drawings represent abstract and the stones are permanent. I don't know why I put the stones, but it came out perfect. This is the size. As you can see, I added all the pieces in there. Now, I will show you what I didn't like, which we have no control over until we flip the clock. Okay, so in some areas, which is still resin and it's still there, the resin didn't come out all the way. You see that there's here. And if I was to fill that up with resin, it would really just destroy the clock. So I take it as nature telling me, hey, with this painting right here, for some reason, yes, the resin didn't fill in, but it matched with the picture. It's weird the way it came out because the picture is separated. So it took the round form of it. But it's still resin. You see, it's still smart in there. It is in there. So nothing's going to happen to it. But I just wanted to tell you that, I'll discount this one for you. But overall, this is a very pretty, I put all the pieces together. This I kept together. And as you can tell, I put all the pieces in here. So, you know, that's one of the things that's tricky when it comes to personal paintings. That's why I like to create the clocks like you told me, the link, because I get to design that. When it comes to a personal picture, it's harder because you want to keep the story and you want to keep the painting together. But you know what? It's my first one. I love it the way it comes out. I love the way what I did with the back. Me and you came up with this idea together, so I really appreciate that because I was stuck like what color I was gonna use, but the rocks are in it and it was beautiful to me. This is looking from afar, you can't tell my mistakes, and I call them mistakes because, you know, all the clocks are not going to be perfect. Now the first two were, I have to admit that, but you know, here you go, you know, it happens, but it's still wonderful clock and it is a working clock. Okay, so again, here's all your clocks and I appreciate your order, and I can't wait till I post these on Facebook with different surroundings on it. So whenever you're ready, you know, you can go ahead and do what you need to do, and I will send them to you in the mail. In the meantime, your coasters are being done, and I'm just relaxing on those for a bit. Okay, so have fun. I wish you a blessed day. And if you have any questions or any concerns, go ahead and give me a call, okay? Oh, and I'm wearing my M&M earrings. So see, I have M&M earrings on. Okay, so have a nice day. Bye.